So yeah, this big thing was growing out of my mouth, and I said to it, "Hey, what are you doing? Where are we going?" "That's right. Okay. All right." So yesterday there was an R and a C and a K, an L and a P. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. And there's a light. Is this big? This big? This big? This big? Okay. Yeah. And there's this a stamp. See this stamp? That's exciting. You like that stamp? I like that stamp. That's exciting. Yeah. I can focus on the stamp. I can focus up close, man. That's awesome. Now back to me. Now back to me. Now back to me. Okay. Back to me. Can you hear me? I have a marker. I'm going to write on the marker. Check this out. Take the marker. I'm going to write on a piece of paper. You ready? What am I writing? Can you guess what I'm writing? Here it comes. Can you hear the writing? Oh, yeah. Here it comes. You ready? No, I don't think you are. Uh-huh. You know what it is? What is it? Guess what it is. Who wants to guess? Oh, wait. Who wants to guess? Oh, wait. Wait, I'm waiting. Ready? Go. Yep, that's right. Video. That's right, video 89. Video 89. Who's excited? Who's excited? Who's excited? Who's excited? I'm excited. Tomorrow's number 90. Tomorrow's number 90. That's video 89. Tomorrow's video 90. Yep. Tomorrow's video 90. Tomorrow's video number 90, and I'm really excited about that. Yep. Today, I was inspired by idiots. That's right, idiots. Idiots inspire me on a daily basis to do better. To do better because I'm smarter, I'm better, and I'm better than that. To be stupid. See my finger? Better than that. There. So that's it. That's about it. That's it. That's all we got. Ready? Crap. That's it. I'm calling it quits. I'm calling it quits. When this alarm goes off. Alright? When the alarm goes off, I'm calling it quits. Wait. I'm waiting. Patiently waiting. It's gonna go off. You ready? I'm ready. The battery's gonna die before the timer goes off. Who's ready? I'm ready. Timer. You see the timer? Crap. See that? There's the timer. Ooh. It's gonna go off. It's gonna go off. Timer's gonna go off. Jump timer. It's a jump timer. Jump timer. Here it comes. Right. Oh well. It has to go longer. It has to go longer than that before it goes off. Now the camera's gonna go off. Screw it.